Hi guys. Okay, so first outfit that I wanted to share in today's haul is this really cute little set, I'd like to say. Like, I just put together an outfit. So the top is from Missguided. It's essentially just this really amazing quality white fold over off the shoulder top. It's actually like a really nice thick material and it hugs you in at the waist. It's not transparent, which I know a lot of white tops are, so this is great, especially given the fold over. I think it's such a little hack or a nice little touch. So love this top, it's great. And then the star of the show is this denim skirt, guys. This is honestly just like Ramwi or Shein brand, like regular brand. Such a good length, perfect fit. It's essentially just like a denim, dark wash gray denim, and then it has like the mini like chrome hearts design, I'd say, on it, which, hey, like, we love that. So like a nice little touch. I'm just pairing this outfit with my Misbehave bag, but I think it looks really great together. Like, this top honestly looks good with the skirt. I feel like the skirt would look good with like other mini t-shirts or tank tops, and then obviously this top would go good with other types of skirts and pants. But yeah, I just think that this entire outfit is really cute, super summery, Y2K. Especially excited to start styling and wearing this denim skirt out. So yeah. All right guys, second outfit, and I'm also very much obsessed with this look. So starting off, my top is from Chew. I got it in China last year, so this is like not part of the haul, but essentially what I'm styling is this bubble skirt, if you know what I mean, like the really trendy skirts this year. Little mini silver bag from COS. I love it so much. This one just really fit the vibe and the outfit for some reason. This skirt is kind of like an Aritzia dupe, which is like, I totally forgot I ordered this from Shein, and when I opened the bag just now, I was like freaking out because, you know, I actually wanted this one, but then I was just like, I couldn't really justify it because I feel like it's definitely a trend. Like, this type of skirt is not going to be like, you know, in style forever. Like, it's not a standard like denim skirt where you can just wear it forever and it's like in style. But yeah, so I think like if you do want to try out this trend, definitely just like check out Shein or, you know, Taobao, Mobile, whatever, because it's like not gonna be in style in like 2 years. Watch it. I know this is a very firm statement, but like trends come and go, right? So yeah, anyways, long story short, I just found like the most perfect comfy bubble whatever little muffin top skirt sleigh from Shein, and I think it's really great, comfortable, fits well. It's a little bit big, but honestly, like, it's really comfortable, and I feel like it'll look good with like t-shirts. Like, honestly, I don't even think you have to wear like a crop shirt. I think like a regular t-shirt where it kind of covers up the top of the skirt would look really cute too. So that's the second item, and I really like it, and I'm really excited about this one as well. Third outfit in the haul video, guys. This is another like full outfit put together from Shein items. They're all from the brand Missguided. Actually have the little tag right here. That's what it looks like. So this top is just a like asymmetrical, like it's basically not a full off the shoulder. It has like one shoulder that's off the shoulder and the other is like just a normal sleeve. It's like this little crochet material, very totes for the summertime. And then I'm pairing it with a really amazing skirt, guys. I love it so much. Reason being, it has shorts, like built-in shorts inside, and the fit is really amazing. It's very comfortable. It's like this kind of like chiffon material or whatever, if you know what I mean. It's like a nice like flowy fabric. It reminds me yet again of something that you would find from Aritzia. Perfect length as well for me. Perfect fit like on the waist and everything. It's perfect. Has a little drawstring. And what the skirt looks like there's basically like, I guess the difference or the differentiator of the skirt, or you know what sets it apart from others, is that there's this kind of like line. It's kind of like those layered or tiered kind of skirts that are in for the summer. But yeah, I'm just wearing this little mini Marge Sherwood bag with it. Love it so much. But yeah, this is essentially the third outfit that I wanted to share in this video. Again, these two pieces are very much like you can wear this top with shorts, denim, like jeans, and then this skirt you could wear with like little tank tops, stuff like that. Like, I feel like black on black would be really cute too. But yeah, this is this outfit, and let's move on to the last one. Last item in today's haul video, guys, an item that I'm genuinely very shook and impressed by. It's this kind of like blazer dress from Missguided. You know what? Mine's giving like oversized style, but I feel like if you size down a little bit more, it'll be so cute. But this is just a blazer dress. I've never had a blazer dress before, but I've always wanted one. Like, I really want the this type of kind of like blazer from Aritzia, the one where it really, really hugs you in at the waist. I mean, I freaking love that. So this is kind of like my gateway to whether or not I like this style, and I mean I do, so I might venture out for the Aritzia ones. But anywho, this is a gorgeous one too. It's black, really, really great quality from Missguided. I feel like you can always trust Missguided. Has 3 buttons going down some pockets. I'm wearing this with the previous skirt in the last outfit, and I think it really, really matches like this entire vibe. I have a work trip coming up and I'm like, do I want to bring this? Like, it's so cute. It's just, I mean, it's perfect. And I feel like if you do, like, I really don't think that this would be okay as like a regular dress, like unless you're like a lot shorter. But if you wear like a little skirt underneath or shorts or whatever, I just feel like it'll look really cute. However, I don't think it'll look good with like pants, you know, like it has to be like this type of vibe. Imagine it with some boots, like that would be so unbelievably cute. But yeah, this is the last item in this haul. I'm genuinely so impressed, and I just like, it's giving corporate siren. That's me. I love that so much. And yeah, this is just, I mean, I'm obsessed. So if you guys are into blazer dresses, into that office siren corporate baddie look, definitely check this out. It's giving office siren and I'm here for it. So love it, and we'll link it down below for you guys to check out.